This is a second-hand KOBELCO SK55SR5 hydraulic crawler excavator. The SK55SR5 is equipped with the original Yamaha TMV88 engine. The core components are all original. Mini excavators are flexible in operation, widely used in construction and farm. Boom side shift function, more flexible operation in a small space. Power is 29.3 kilowatt. The bucket capacity is 0.1 cubic meters. The working weight of the whole machine is 5,260 kilograms. Excavator bucket and matching thumb clamp. Clean and amazing appearance. Good performance, very flexible. Used excavators are more cost-effective.